If you're looking for a way to develop your leadership and performance skills, I hope you'll join me on March 22nd and 23rd for the Emerging Leaders Workshop hosted by George Washington University's Center for Excellence in Public Leadership. Over the last year, we've refreshed the program, and we are now including modules on leveraging diversity, equity, and inclusion, managing both the remote as well as the hybrid workforce, and last of all, managing up within your organization. In addition to that, I'll be presenting two of my favorite sessions, one on strategic time management and one on employee engagement as well. Now, speaking of employee engagement, one of the markers that we've talked about a lot over the recent years is how telework is something that really drives engagement, a major factor that everybody wants. But new studies are telling us there's a factor that folks want even more than telework, an even bigger driver of engagement. And that factor is flexible work hours. Fascinating. For this insight and more, I hope you'll join us March 22nd and 23rd for the Emerging Leaders Workshop.